Morning guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Aranggoy Sabana sa playground. Nag-workout tayo dito ngayon. Inabot tayo dito ng 1.5 hours. So, pauwi na rin kami. Dahil napakainit na. Yun naman, no? May palabas dito ngayon na Pagwa Festival. Indian Festival yan. Every year ginaganap nila dito yan. Ayan, yung may mga tolda na doon, may mga stage na doon. Yung mga nag-workout sa oval, medyo mainit-init na rin, kaya pakunti na lang. But we arrived here around 6:30 morning. Medyo marami pa nga kumakagat yung sunflies, pero okay na rin yun kasi mainit na ngayon eh. So you're the one train those children. You're the trainer of the coach.
That guy doesn't be here, but that guy is me here.
Yeah.
I just be over there, but how they have any Pagwa?
What is Pagwa? It's an Indian festival.
Like an Indian festival, yeah. Morning.
So what they're doing there?
This evening there'll be like music playing, throwing things on each other, showing the color stuff.
I have been here. I have been here last year, and they put color, like liquid coloring on their body.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, I just want to tell you what is happening. For me, I can see why it was you. Because I know that the private organizations cannot grow. The microprojects can achieve even more than this. I want to strengthen the community, collaboration, and teamwork among
Dito. You don't like dog, right? No. This dog is very gentle than anybody. Balik tayo, ulit ito. Tara, balik na tayo. Tara. Going home na tayo. Let's go home. Enough. Alis. Dikit kita. Tata. Ay, yung isang aso na yan, oh. Yung palagi dito sa akin yan, eh. Pupunta ako dito, lumalapit sa akin yan. Ngayon nakita niya si Troy. Parang, diyan ka lang muna. Dala ko yung aso ko, diyan ka lang muna. Troy. Troy, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go home, let's go home. 1 hour walking is enough. Go, let's go. Pahinga daw muna si Troy. Ang ganda ng upo nyo. Okay, Troy. Let's go home now. Go, let's go. Tama na yan, guys. Enough. Marami nang kumakagat ng mga flies. Hi. So, let us drink water first, Troy. Yan. More. More. Yeah. It's all? More. Yeah. What time you come here?
I reach about 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. So how many rounds you walk?
After 6.
6 rounds? Wow. How old are you now?
Well, like 71 heading for 72.
You?
Yeah.
I did not see Dennis, you know. Dennis, you know Dennis, right?
Get it?
Dennis, the old man, the 88 years old, the old short guy. The old short guy sometimes coming here every day.
Yeah. Just away. I know what you're talking about.
But still he was coming.
He's 80, I think 88 or 89 years or no.
Huh?
Yeah, he is so well these days. He cannot dizziness.
But still coming here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. He can't hear well, you know.
Yeah.
But I thought he was not getting sick because I did not see him.
Right.
Okay, I bring my Troy here. This is a Husky mix Malyamot, 3 years old, big.
That's the one muscle.
Huh?
That's the one muscle. Otherwise, if the authorities can charge you.
Really?
Yes, for not having the muscle.
So he need muscle?
Public, yeah. Only having just two.
I thought only lace.
No, you have to put it happen. Like you come in here and think, you must have to weigh more.
But I saw some dog right here didn't have muscle. Huh?
People just bring them and walk just so.
No, but I saw a lot of dog here didn't have muscle. But anyway, thank you very much. I will buy. Okay. So guys, tapos na yung workout natin dito sa Sabana Playground. Uuwi na rin tayo. Kasama ko si Troy, hinihingal nga si Troy sa likod, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Yan. Hindi ako nakadala ng bowl. Naiwan ko dati sa may doon sa may Queen's Park Sabana nung mag FCAT selection meeting. Pero mabuti nakita ng kaibigan ko, so sabi niya nandun sa akin. Wala akong dalang bowl rito, so mamaya na lang sa apartment ito pa inumin. It's time to go. Okay. Dito na lang kami dadaan sa ano. Yan si Troy, hinihingal si Troy. Base ang hangin to. Yan. Something. Hindi pa tayo sa ano. Mayroon pa tayong bibilin. May kalimutan ako guys na bibilin. So buy something here. Bili pala tayo ng itlog. Oh, still closed. Open. Don't know why it's happened. Still closed. I think it's open, you know. Somebody inside. Okay, I have to wait. Hintayin muna tayo rito. Hintayin muna natin guys kasi pagbukas yun ng Detroit. Yung bodyguard ko. Yan o, hinihingal. Katapos lang namin jogging sa bana. Dito lang yan, may walang yan dito. Hindi naman problema yan. Stay here, right? May bibiliin tayo rito. Give me some na.
Morning. I think you want this thing inside.
Okay? Okay. Pagbilin na rin tayo. So, uwi na tayo guys. Mission accomplished for today. Tayo nga dahil mahirap nang sumabi tayo. Okay. Sarap ng pakiramdam guys. Tapos yung workout sa sabana kasama si Troy. So here we are guys. Dumating na kami dito sa apartment. Natapos na yung mission namin sa araw na ito ni Troy. So next is to, of course, today Sunday is go to church. So once again, thank you for watching of my YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe for more adventure and funny videos right here in Trinidad and Tobago, South America. Once again, thank you and God bless.